Okra, also affectionately known as lady's finger or bamia, emerges as a celebrated nutritional marvel hailing from the verdant lands of northeast Africa. Its allure lies not only in its distinctive taste but also in its year-round availability, ensuring a constant supply of goodness. However, its true splendor reaches its zenith in the crisp embrace of early fall, when southern crops unfurl their finest offerings. Okra stands as a testament to nature's bounty, boasting an impressive arsenal of vitamins, minerals, and a plethora of other vital nutrients. Its consumption offers a symphony of health benefits, ranging from combating diabetes to safeguarding against kidney ailments. Truly, a verdant treasure trove of wellness awaits within each succulent pod of this remarkable vegetable. Did you know that okra is low on calories? A single cup of okra only has around 30 calories. 1 cup of okra contains about 3 grams of dietary fiber, 2 grams of protein, 7.6 grams of carbohydrates, 0.1 grams of fat, 21 milligrams of vitamin C, around 88 micrograms of folate, and 57 milligrams of magnesium. This is why okra is a nutritional powerhouse and a very healthy and amazing vegetable when it comes to our health. So, it doesn't matter if you consume okra stewed, boiled, fried, or even in pickled form. You get all the healthy benefits from it any time of the year. These are the most important reasons why you should add okra to your healthy diet. Relieves asthma symptoms, lowers cholesterol, boosts the immune system, prevents kidney disease, and the most important thing about okra is that it's really effective against diabetes. Medical experts claim that okra can reduce the amount of glucose absorbed by the food through the gastrointestinal tract. In this video we are going to show you one simple method, how to use okra to control your blood sugar levels naturally. This recipe is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to take 4 fresh okras and cut their heads and tails. Then, you need to put them in a glass of water and leave them overnight. When you get up in the morning, you need to drink this mixture before breakfast. It will help you control your blood sugar levels.